Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Zuru Smashers.
Zuru Smashers.
Zuru Smashers. So today we're gonna open this. So can you open?
Let's open this one.
So today my mommy is helping me to box on it.
Wait.
So mommy is it ready?
Mix and match.
So mommy is gonna help me to open it surprise.
Contains 10 pieces.
So yeah, we got a router. So we're gonna open this.
Let's see.
So there's a lot of things to do.
Oh.
Whoa. Ah,
What is inside?
whoa.
What is inside?
Okay. Now let's start it. What is this? Let's open up. Mommy, let's open. 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 What is this? Open. What is this? So mommy is gonna help me again.
Let's see what's the instruction.
Okay. So now we need a
This one,
Yes. There's so many lots of things here on the bag. Let me open it.
I will open. Don't bite it.
So I will open this. Subscribe. So this one maybe we can use a castle.
Castle.
Yeah, roar, roar. I'm a ghost castle. See, it's so much fun. So let's.
Yeah.
There's so many things.
It is like this. Let me show it to them.
I see it. So now we're gonna. There's another one. There's a-
Show it to them.
I unit it. So this is 1, 2,
Can you put
3,
this aside?
4. So let's open it. Which one do you open first? Sabi mo, which one do you open
Yeah,
first?
let's open.
I want to open this one.
Okay. Let's open it.
There's 2 of them. Where's 2? What is this? Is this a slimy? Oh, I feel something. I feel something that warms.
This one.
It's
Look.
so hot. I see something in there.
Oh.
So we can open up.
Slimy. I think it's all slimy.
I see it. I see it.
What did you do? You put it here. Put it here. I thought we need some water. Put it here, put
So
it
let's
here.
put water because
Clean.
it's super dirty.
Put it here. What is this? It's like
I want to play with it. That one. So we found our
What is this?
Stenosaurus.
I don't know what is that.
I don't know too. So let's open and surprise
That's,
it.
yeah, Tricera. What is that? Let's open this one.
Try some.
Oh! Don't bite! Why are you biting?
I'll help
Let me
you.
open. Let me open.
What's
This
this?
is the Smashers.
How to make it? Something.
I think we don't need this water because I saw in the video that we need water. I don't think so either. Then now you can smash this one. You can smash it. This one you can smash it. Oh my god! Where did it go? Oh my god. There is a small dinosaur.
Tapos na kunin ko yung air fryer. Luto ng french fries.
Ay, saglit. Okay. Let's open this one. Look inside. What is that?
I think it's a slime.
It's a slime.
There's something inside. Ew. What is this?
What is that?
It's like a slime.
Yeah.
But can
Nothing is inside. Yeah. Then let's
what is
put
this?
it
A kind?
aside. Ew. What is that? You can put it here. You can put it here. You can put it here.
I want to-
What is this? It's just like a slimy. Like a slimy. Look at that.
I want to play with it.
You put it here first. Then what did you found?
I found what is this? I don't
It's
know.
a body. It's a body.
No.
Then what's next?
It must be.
Look.
What is that?
What is that?
Slimy too?
Uh,
Oh my god.
it's different. Ooh, ew.
What is it? Yeah! What is this kind?
Ooh, it's look what I found.
It looks like
There is what is this?
it's a feet.
It's look like a what is the smell? Smell. Look like a slimy. You can play with this.
If I want,
Yeah, give me.
ano tong blue na to? Blue.
I don't know.
Maybe it's
We
slime.
can put it together. Can we clean it first? I get some water here.
But nobody.
Yeah, let's wash it.
Let's watch it. Woohoo!
You sit down. You sit down.
Woohoo.
You sit down. Chai, sit down, please. Sit down.
Woohoo! So let's honor them all
Sit down.
because it might be dirty. So let's honor it all together, guys. So let's wash them. Let's time for a bath.
What is the smell?
It sounds a smell of aspiration. You can mix together.
No, later. Let's wash our hands first. Wash it, and you can. What is this?
You can play with water.
No, you can mix it together. Then what did you find?
So I found all of them.
Which one we found here?
We got this one.
That one?
Yeah.
Can you make it?
Yeah, it's the same.
Can you make it?
Yeah, it's the same, but I don't know what it is.
Look at this guide. There is so many chatter tooth. That's collection guide.
But how
What
can
do
you
you
wash? Because
Then we need to remove this one. Wait, let me. Let's remove. See, I got it. Let's take it out. See.
so I'm gonna wash this one because there's another one. Mommy, give me.
Wait.
Give me.
wait.
There's another one.
See,
Oh.
look. There is slimy inside. Ew.
Give me that one, Mommy.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Hey, Mommy, wait.
Still slime inside.
Mommy, can you get it? Can you get it?
Wait, let me get this one Ew.
Look at this slime. I'll help you. Hold tight. So mix together. No, don't put on the water. No, don't put on the water. Because it's making rain. So listen to this one.
Look at that.
Let's see what I get.
What did you get?
I get, what is this? Maybe a blue?
Ooh.
Ew. What is that?
Slimy. It's inside the
Why
body.
are I don't
Inside the body.
Oh my god. I'm sorry, Mommy.
What? Look at that. Ooh, I got it.
So we get out.
I got it all.
So this one is not
I got
perfect
it all. Get it? And can you...
what? So I have enough for there.
OMG. Yeah.
Oh my god. There's a slime in there. There's a slime in here.
Yeah, I will take it out.
Can you take with the guntang?
Can you get the tissue, please?
Let's wash it all. I'm gonna wash.
Oh.
So I'm gonna wash this big.
Okay.
And I'm gonna wash.
Hey! I will remove this.
So let's mix it together with
Okay.
our mixture.
You can make it now. You can make
And
it
here too, Mommy.
like
This one
like
too.
this. Look. Look.
What?
This one is here. This one.
And let's wash it. So the other one is here.
This one. This
Yes.
one is here.
No,
Yeah, this one
it's
is
on
here.
the foot. Like that.
This one is here.
I think we need mixers.
Mixers.
So first we need to get this one. Mixture style.
Then next.
Good idea.
Can put it here. Oh, wow.
Dinosaur. So I'm gonna
This
make
one
this
is here.
one. So I'm gonna agitate all of them.
This one is here. I'm making it. See? Give it to me.
Mhm.
Give it to me, the other one. Why did you wash that one?
In here.
Wow! We got it. We got
So
it.
so now we just wash them clean. So where's the basa?
Anong basa?
We didn't
This
need.
one.
So let's mix it up.
You can still make this one. Okay, then we can say na bye-bye na. Guess what we found?
Bye!
What we found? What is this? It's what is this?
No.
It's chili mammoth? Chili mammoth.
Hey, not chili, Mamo.
I'm looking here. What is? Tundra Triceratops. Triceratops.
So we need to mix
We
all.
found this one, and this little one, and this one. Okay na? Basa na kayo. Okay na. This one. Is it amazing?
Yeah. So now can
Okay, we're done?
yeah. I'm done.
Something slimy here. Okay, bye.
Bye. Subscribe up to our
for
channel.
watching.
Thank you for watching fan videos. Bye. I keep saying that. Bye. So
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know what it is.
Huh? What is that?
So let's mix together because I don't know how to mix.
But what you? Ew! It's so slimy.
Oh, see, this is a slime for the action bait. So I think we have to mix it.
Ew! Are you enjoying that mixing?
I'm enjoying.
Ew! You need to wash your hands. Ew! Ew! What is that?
It looks like a slime because you
Yeah.
said.
Yeah, it's look like a slimy, but the other one it's look like something else. Like like slimy, but it's web. Something web like this. See?
Daddy,
Okay.
Mommy, can you look at the dinosaur here?
No, we washed it already. No. Ew.
Ew.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Subscribe fun videos with our channel. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah.